Hey, it's Liz with Lawsuit Tracker. The judge in charge of the Depo Provera lawsuit has put out a new order, and this is going to help facilitate record collection in the lawsuit. So the plaintiffs or the plaintiff's attorneys have to submit proof that the plaintiffs used the product involved in the lawsuit, which is name brand Depo Provera and the generic versions, and then proof of the injury, in this case meningiomas, which is a type of brain tumor. This will be submitted using an online system called the MDL Centrality System, and plaintiffs must submit this proof within 120 days from the date the court order is made for cases being filed before the order, or from when their case is filed if these are new cases. This order was put out on March 14th of this year, and then for ongoing cases, until this information is provided, just, proof that they used it and proof of their injury, there will be no further discovery or gathering of evidence unless the court decides otherwise. However, all plaintiffs must keep any relevant evidence they have. So if your attorneys pull more information, or if you had extra surgeries or extra harm done, they can still collect that and keep that. But right now, the only two things that need to be submitted are proof of use and then proof of injury. In some cases, plaintiffs may not have clear proof of which product caused their injury, so the parties will work out a special process for those situations. Some people were taking Depo back in the 90s, and those records aren't necessarily always easily accessible. And the answers that plaintiffs give in the questionnaire will be considered as if they were sworn under penalty of perjury. So you could face legal consequences for lying if you said, yes, I was using Depo in the 90s, but you actually weren't, and it comes out. Deadlines to submit the required information can only be extended by the court for good reason, or if both sides agree and the court allows it. So right now they're saying that 120 days is pretty strict, and there will be a separate procedure created to track if plaintiffs make mistakes or forget to submit parts of their information. So basically, in short, this court order lays out clear procedure for plaintiffs to provide proof of their injury, product use, and then sets deadlines for doing so, while ensuring information is truthful and complete. If you or a loved one use Depo Provera and you have any questions regarding the lawsuit or what's going on, please check out our website at lawsuittracker.org, or please leave any questions in the comments. Thanks.